Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by poaching the chicken because gentle cooking yields juicy meat and a clear stock base. Place 2 seasoned breasts into 2 liters of water or low-sodium broth. Bring to a low simmer, not a rolling boil, to avoid tough fibers. Once the center hits 75 degrees, remove and rest 5 minutes to redistribute juices. Make sure to reserve the poaching liquid. You'll use it as your flavorful ramen broth foundation in the next step, so skim foam and keep it hot. Next, build depth. Sauté minced garlic and ginger briefly to release aromatics, then deglaze with your reserved poaching liquid. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 tablespoon mirin for umami balance. Simmer 8-10 minutes to concentrate flavor. Meanwhile, cook the noodles separately for 2-3 minutes so they stay springy and don't overabsorb broth. Once simmered, taste and adjust with a pinch of salt or a splash of soy. Once done, keep the broth hot and ready to assemble. To finish, slice the rested chicken thinly so it rewarms quickly and carries the broth into each bite. Place noodles in bowls, ladle the hot broth over them, then arrange chicken, a soft-boiled egg, scallions, and any quick pickles or greens. Once plated, drizzle a little sesame oil for aroma and add heat with chili if desired. If your soup tastes flat, stir in 1 teaspoon miso or a dash of soy. This quick fix lifts umami without changing texture or cooking time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.